Hello, good night. This is Weather Report. My name is Lina Lopez, and I will you about the forest cards for this week. Join me. On Monday, we will have the presence of a storm and strong winds with temperatures ranging from 70 degrees to 66 degrees Fahrenheit. You can stay at home and drink hot chocolate. On Tuesday, I will be partly rainy. The temperature will run from 32 to 45 degrees. You cannot go out because it is also going to be windy and there will heavy storms. But if you can sit and read a good book at home. On Wednesday, we will have a pretty sunny day. We will have temperature from 68 degrees to 88 degrees. You can go to the pool. On Thursday, we will have a little rain with a temperature of 25 degrees. You can go to the cinema to enjoy a go movie and bring an umbrella for when you go out. Finally, we have Friday. We will have cloudy weather with a temperature of 26 degrees and you can go to the gym. Goodbye, thanks.